Good morning traders and welcome to today's live trading. Today is Friday the 16th of February and as usual we are on the FTSE 100. So just to quickly run you through just a couple of bands that I've got marked in at the moment. It's basically just the ones either side of price. So one down towards the 7250 level and one towards the 7290 level. Basically what I'm looking for this morning is for price to maybe have a little bit of a sell-off after the open. The open's in 4 minutes time. Come down to this band and I would gladly look for buy signals from here, looking to take it towards this sort of band, probably around the 7280 level from this sort of area here. So that's the one I'm monitoring very first thing this morning. Whether or not it comes off or not, we'll see. But I'll run you through it if it does. So I'll catch up with you later. Okay, so just coming up to the 8:15 candle, and it's looking like we're going to get a buy signal here. I'll talk you through it once I've put the order in. So we're looking up towards 71.9. Double check that's right. Yep, submit that. Okay, so the order's in for a buy above this pin bar here. Now, the reason that I'm happy to take this, even though it's not in an official band, is basically the S1 and high are obviously just a little bit higher, and it does line up with these overnight highs quite nicely, and even the spike that we got yesterday. So if I was looking for a potential place for more buying to come in after breaking above here, it would be sort of the 7265 level. Which is basically exactly where this is happening. So that's my reasoning really. Off the back of that, I'm happy to take a long, just looking for a short move up in towards this sort of area here. Early morning, before the news, we've got, I think it's retail sales at 9:30. So if we can get a move off before the retail sales happens, then great. If not, it might be just, if we get to sort of quarter to 9 o'clock, we'll probably be waiting towards maybe after 9:30, depending how volatile the price gets. But yeah, that's the plan for now. I'll bring the ticket across here, and I'll leave that there. If it gets triggered, I'll bring the live ticket across, and let's see if this one can first of all get triggered, and see how it runs. Okay, so we've not managed to even trigger this order, and we've closed below the signal candle now. So I'm really happy to cancel this order, but what I think I'll do is, just for the moment, I will change it to the high of this one. This is still a pin bar, and it's actually come down to our band and reacted, which is good to see. So I'm just going to edge down the order. Is the high of this candle is 68.3, so I'll change the entry to 69.4. Here, 69.4, and submit that. Bring that ticket back across. Just because the picture's not really changed. I know we've closed below the original signal candle, which has sort of avoided that one, but in doing so we've sort of created another signal candle that's just slightly lower. So if we do start closing back in this band, then I will cancel this order, and we'll look to maybe take a trade from within the band. But this whole sort of area, I'm happy to look for buying to come in for a potential move, like I say, up towards the band up here. So I'll leave this order in this time, and we'll see if this one gets triggered. Okay, so I'm going to close this one here for 11 points. Decent trade in the end. We identified obviously the area we wanted to take a trade from really early on, which is nice. It's good when you can come to the market and have a plan that you want to execute straight away, and that's worked out this morning. So like we've gone through, really, we were looking for this area because of yesterday's price action. Really, we chopped up here sort of most of the day. Yesterday I was actually looking for sells from here, and I just didn't get anything. Hence that we're doing the live video today instead. I did record yesterday's, but I just couldn't get a decent sell position off. I think it got to about midday, early afternoon, and price in the main had been between sort of 255 look and 245, with these two peaks either side. It was just getting really quite tedious yesterday. Nothing setting up properly, but not like this morning. Perfect move up above yesterday's price action that you can see here on the hourly chart. We've had lovely bullish momentum as well on this market just at the moment. So looking for a move up towards this band here, well, it just made perfect sense, and this was the perfect place to do it for me. So yeah, it's all worked out, and finished before 9 o'clock, which is a plus. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed these videos. If you have done, please consider leaving a like on the video, and also subscribing to the channel. I try to do these every week anyway, where time and obviously getting the trades allow. I think usually if I do, I'll either get one out on the Thursday or the Friday. These tend to be my 2-3 days, and if I get, say, no trades on the Thursday and then can't trade, or no trades on the Friday, I do put up the video where I get no trades. It's just not particularly entertaining to watch. So I do, if time allows, I do try and upload a video from the Friday, which I've been able to do this week. So, and it's paid off. But yeah, enough of me rambling. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.